Alright, let's try this pool. See if we get any yum yums. She's using a little trout magnet. Should fuck me up some good shit. There we go, already. What we got? Oh yeah. Got a really pretty green sunfish. That motherfucker coming straight in the pool. Come here, I gotta get you water, sir. Alright, fat ass. Got you some Wawa. Jimmy. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Got him. Decent sized chub. Oh, stop it, you slimy motherfucker. You little rat. Oh, you know. No. This is the perfect bait size. Come help me. See if any more of them motherfuckers won't bite. Got him. Oh, hey now, come here. I got you. Oh, no little tree chub. Shiner's looking at it. Sure he's big enough to eat it though. Oh, I'm fishing, people. Oh, no way. Alright, let it pimp. Hell yeah, going catfishing tonight? Fuck yeah. So now I gotta catch bait and shit. Alright, but here, check this out. If we go ahead and do something like this, so I don't want to scare the fish away because I see some shiners I want. Probably scared the fish away. Oh no, I got my shit tangled now too. I'm a little retard sometimes. You might become bait, depends. Probably become bait. Oh, got him. Ooh, here we go. Man, these like creek and stream green sunfish are so pretty. I wonder if it's because they're just, I wonder if these are purebred and the ones in like ponds and stuff are like green gills and stuff like that. I don't know. Be pretty. Keeping him for the pond. He ain't catfish bait though. He got lucky. Alright. Go try another spot. Bait size chub. So that motherfucker gonna be bait. Got him. Got that motherfucker. Got that motherfucker. Right. Oh, dude got lucky. He almost got eye piercing. I've always wanted an eye piercing. I am sweating my balls off. I got swamp ass like a big black man. Ow, fucking thorn. Touched my ass inappropriately. Good thing I'm not EDP or else I would have fucked that. Look how good that looks. That looks like any Mexican man would work for it. Got him. This dumbass. Fuck man. I got a bite. Alright. Give me this trout magnet. Oh, is there only... What? What? No! No! Wait, oh, I'm fucking stupid. Wrong packet. Oh, I was making fun of the factory people for rigging this weird, but I don't know how to rig this for shit. Slowly getting here. I'll just take a seat and start fishing. You ever seen anybody sit down and fish? Me too. Oh, immediately just cools me down. So much better. So now I just go like this. There you go, got him. Whoa, whoa, this guy got some energy in him, bro. Oh, but it feels so good right here. Oh, if I get this bitch untangled first. There we go. Right by that rock structure. Oh, yeah. Got him. Lost him. Got him. This time I really got him. Oh, did we get a new species? Finally. All right. Oh, well, you missed it. I'm counting it. Taking him home. Swoop for it. Hey. Calm down. Got a little shiner. All right, one more cast and we're headed down to this corner where there is some monsters. Got him. What the fuck? But, you know, bean for life, you know? Got him. Oh, here's a decent one. Alright, there we go. Now we're cooking. Good size creek chub. Not super big. This is also perfect bait side. I'll chuck it back over there. Got him. Little guy. And a little shiner. Awesome. Oh, I see some fish ears. I see a bluegill, I think. Just instant. This motherfucker's hungry. Super uncomfortable. I mean, it's crazy how well the trout magnet works in these creeks. Boom. Oh, missed him. Let's see, try a little bit over there. Yep. Yep. Like, they're inhaling it. I'm not even giving them time. Oh, oh, don't slip off me. Whose blood is this? Is this fish blood or is this my blood? That's a great question. We'll figure that out later. Holy shivvy. Holy shivers, dude. It's another green sunfish. It's bluegill. Stop it. Stop. Chomp. Yeah. Yeah, chill. Alright. You might be bait low-key. I'm not gonna lie to you, bud. Like, I appreciate you and all that, but bait. Oh, that was a good one. I've got some absolute monster creek chub here. Oh, bluegill had it in its mouth. Or green sunfish, whatever the fuck it is. Got him. Holy shit. What I got? Damn, you fat. Bluegill? Yep. Bluegill. Alright, bud. You can go back. Because I can get bluegill anywhere. Thanks, bud. Yeah, go straight back in the same spot. If I catch him again, I will kill him. Bro, these guys are so aggressive. He's a little bluegill. Little bit smaller, and I'll put him in the pond. I don't know, or do I take him for bait? I wouldn't mind some bluegill heads. Yeah, I'll take this guy. Other guy was pretty big. Uh-oh. I didn't even cast, I get my shit stuck on a tree. Psych. Another bluegill just grabbed it. Green sunfish, I don't know, there's something huge in there. I'm sorry, sunfish. Got him. Damn. Damn. Did you get me caught? This dumbass. Oh, we good. Yeah, like I said, there is some massive creek chub in here. This dude is so big. It's the biggest one yet. Damn. Having fun. One more fish and I'll get you all some new air water. Actually, hold on. I mean, just, why are these bluegills so big in here? It's crazy. That's a big one for a little creek like this. Later, buddy. Dude, what are they doing? Holy shit. I mean, these are eater bluegill. There we go. Let this guy go. So we've gotten 4 species so far. We got some shiners, river chub, green sunfish, and a bluegill. I think that is every species I've ever caught out of this creek. So I am excited to see if I catch something new. Boop. And there's creek chub. Another bait one. Still could get a couple more chub here. Got him. What the fuck? Or is this a different species, or is this still a green sunfish? I have no idea. They're just so pretty. Look at them. Yeah, you're going in my pond for sure. When I said for sure, I lied. Alright, now let's fish it like we're supposed to and see how that works. Not well, because I cast it right into a tree. Let's try it again. Oh, we had some. Dude, that thing just smoked it. Alright, I think it's time to go explore a little bit. I think it's like 127 degrees out right now. Hard conditions for winter. Oh, there's a deer. Not sure if you guys can see that. And a frog. A lot of wildlife in nature. Never mind. There's a monster. Got one. There is monsters. I forgot how big the tick wigglers were in here. Got him. Is that another one of them green sunfish bluegills thingies? Calm down. Yeah, that's the one we lost. Oh, there we go, got a little shiner. Decent size one. It's just like so cool. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, this trout magnet's just insane. I'm gonna cast like this. I want to see if the fish has it. It disappears like that, I guess. I mean, it's just instant. I have no time to sit down. Look how tiny. What's he thinking? I mean, I'll take him. He'll be perfect for my little catfish to eat. I can't resist it. There we go. Holy. Wow. This one's a giant. This one's a giant. Look at that thing. Got the biggest one today. Absolute monster. Oh my gosh, they're really big suckers. Massive, I've never seen those here. Oh, got one. Not a sucker, but you know. Look at them. They're massive. Look how big they are. That's a medium-sized one. I saw one double the size. Oh, there she goes. Just so many of them. Just such big ones too. It'd be crazy to catch one. Well, good news is I'm finally not sweating my balls off no more.